Welcome! We're thrilled to have you a part of the Shelton Ford and Shelton Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram family. Our goal is simple: to make every visit quick, transparent, and less complicated. Our commitment doesn't end with the sale. Our team is here to give you the care and expertise you deserve, from routine maintenance to the unexpected. To help make it easy, we have some of the best technicians around. They'll use the latest equipment and best quality parts to keep your vehicle in top shape. We handle all makes and models. Getting started is easy. You can either give us a call or go online and make an appointment. With a few clicks, it's done. Our main service area handles more complex tasks. Our advisors will guide you every step of the way. They'll explain what's going on, answer your questions, and make sure the whole process is smooth, transparent, and tailored to what you need. And while you're in our service lounge, enjoy perks like free Wi-Fi, coffee, and more. Our goal is to make your whole experience hassle-free. And for all of you Ford owners, we offer the ultimate in convenience. We'll come to you. That's right. For routine maintenance, a certified technician will come to your home or business and take care of it, right there. Ready to make your vehicle truly yours? Our parts and accessories team has you covered. Whether you're thinking about performance upgrades, adding personal touches, or anything in between, we'll help you find exactly what you need. With our knowledgeable parts staff and factory-trained techs, we're here to bring your ideas to life. We even sell tires, so you can get everything done in one convenient stop. If you want to learn more details about any of our services, be sure to visit us online. It's also a great way to see if there are any current online coupons that will save you money. Our service specials change often, so check in each month. No matter what your vehicle needs, we're here to get it handled with care. Our goal is to make servicing your vehicle quick, transparent, and less complicated. We'll be here for you every mile down the road.